Good morning guys, so I'm starting off today's vlog just where I ended yesterday's vlog. I'm all over the shop. I'm still like, I know I'm vlogging, like back vlogging ages, but I'm just a nightmare when it comes to like vlogging at, just at the best of times. I am a bit of a nightmare. I'm gonna go to the drive-thru and I'm gonna get myself frozen strawberry lemonade, I think that's what they're called. Yeah, one of them. I'm gonna get one of them. This morning I was on Twitter and I'm not sure the actual girl's full name, but her first name is Brooke, and I used to watch her true crime videos back like, I don't know, ages ago, maybe like last October, November, and then she kind of stopped doing them. But a video has just like emerged lately. It must have been like 2 days ago. I think it was Tuesday, so today's Thursday, so it was like 2 days ago, of her mistreating her dog. Guys, like, I actually just want to report like every single video on her channel, whether it is featuring her dog or not, because I just think the girl is a really not a nice person. Like, she's horrendous. The video contains her abusing her dog. Like, this is a video that she filmed but obviously had no intentions of releasing, and it was like an unedited portion of the video, or it was like a part of the video that she cut out basically, and it ended up getting incorporated into the video. I don't know how it was emerged, like I don't know how it came to be, like that people found out about it. It went online. I don't know what happened, like, or how, like, because obviously well, I'm not making sense. Basically, she made a video and she was like doing tricks with her dog, and she was like pulling a trick on her dog. I'm not really sure, because I don't know why you would do that to an animal anyway. I really find annoying animals to be I just don't like anybody who annoys an animal, and she was clearly trying to annoy an animal, her dog, her pet. This portion of the video was cut out, and it's obviously, there's a clear reason why she cut it out, because you can see her clearly. Now, I depicted it as spitting on the dog. She said she wasn't spitting on the dog. She said it was like a way that she uses to discipline the dog, but you could see her physically hitting the animal, like hitting the dog. I know, and we've all been there, where you accidentally step on your dog's paw or tail or something. I actually want to cry. Like, I want to cry whenever it happens. It's like one of the most like horrible experiences ever, and we've all been there. You want to cry, and you don't want to just like lock yourself away for a month because you feel like an awful human being because you accidentally stepped on your dog's paw. But she's hitting her dog like on purpose, and then she put up this absolutely horrendous, like just pathetic excuses onto, I think it was on Instagram or Twitter or something, where she was basically saying, look, I had a bad day and whatever. I have had really bad days, guys, in the past. Like, I've had bad days. I don't think I've ever taken it out on an animal or one of my pets. I've never taken it out on anybody. It's just, you deal with it accordingly. You don't hit a dog. It's not an excuse. She obviously has no idea of how to handle animals, and I would really worry about her around other vulnerable animals or people, like babies or elderly people. Like, you wouldn't trust her around anybody, you know. She can't even treat an animal properly. But anyway, this has gone viral. There's loads of people sharing it and stuff online, and you know, rightly so, because people are trying to like get her taken off YouTube, and they're also trying to get, I think, the ASPCA, they obviously protect animals, but I actually am in shock. Like, I'm still in shock, and that's why I'm just talking about it today. I feel like it really hurt me. And when I saw the video this morning, you know, that kind of like sick feeling, that sinking feeling in your stomach where you just feel like you're going to be sick. That's exactly how I felt the second I saw her post that video, and it was just like, she just should not have any animals or be around anybody. Like, she's just not a nice person. Yeah, I just felt really upset and sad, like, seeing that this morning. I just want to move away from that topic. Cinema last night, went to see the new Fast and Furious. Well, it was not Fast and Furious, it's the one with The Rock in it. I have actually no idea. I used to like watch the Fast and Furious back in the day, but now I feel like they're all the same. and I really just thought that the movie was just not great, to be honest. And he didn't think it was great either. No, and he loves all those movies. I actually really like those movies, so I don't know what was the deal with it. It just wasn't great. It was just very drawn out and long, and I just wasn't feeling any of it, to be honest. I think I might get a latte, because I had tea already before I left. No, I'm gonna get what I said I wanted to get, which is my lemonade. They better have it, because the last time I was in here they didn't have it, which is very irritating. I got one of their big tasty wraps actually recently. I'm not really a major wrap fan. Like, it's not that I don't like them, I'm just not massively in love with them, but they're actually quite nice.
Hi, how are you? Can I take yours, please?
Hi, can I get one of the frozen lemonades, strawberry lemonade?
No problem.
Yeah.
Anything else?
No, that's it, thank you.
That's right, just pay around there for us.
Thank you. Although we have the ish of the straws. Last night my straw completely broke off in the cinema. It was really annoying. Actually, I've seen a thing actually that the paper straws are causing more waste, and the plastic are causing more issues as well, or equal amount of issues, but they're not causing issues to the animals, I suppose, in the sea, but they're causing like issues to the waste. Saw it on Twitter again. Everything's on Twitter. Find out the most random stuff on Twitter. Thank you so much. She gave me two, she must have known. I really don't think you can beat this. Like, it's actually my favourite thing ever. McDonald's the other day, and I met one of the girls I went to school with, Tara. She watches my vlogs, so hi Tara. I don't know if she'll be watching this one, but I met her and she was like, oh, I just came into McDonald's because I had to get that frozen lemonade, strawberry lemonade drink that you drink. And I was like, oh yeah, it's epic, isn't it? I was thinking like everybody's obsessed with it because the summer is here. Although like we're in August now and we're well into August, almost time to like put away the bikinis. We're actually looking to go to Rome for a few days, like just on like a mini break, city break. But I'm not really sure like where to stay or, you know, what the best options is. I did see that one of the girls that one of the Irish girls, AJ, she's lovely, she put up a blog post about Rome. She was there last year, I think she said, and she spent 4 days there, and she was just saying like all the good things that you could do in 4 days, because obviously like I am a massive like history buff. Like I absolutely love like ruins and like anything got to do with history, and I'm just obsessed with it. Like ancient Rome, ancient Greece, like even mythology. I know it's not history, but I love all the stuff like that. So I'm big into going to Rome, and like I just want to see the ruins, and I've never been. And when I went to Amsterdam earlier in the year, it was so fun to just go to the museums and look around the history, and I just absolutely was obsessed. So I'm thinking like obviously Rome is a great option. Like we were thinking Prague and stuff like that, but it seems like Rome is winning out. But I just want to know like if any of you guys have been there, like how long you went for, you know, can you fit everything into like 4 days, where would you recommend staying, like stuff like that. If you just kind of have any hints or tips or tricks or whatever about Rome, let me know. So yeah, that's all I wanted to know, like what you guys are thinking about the Rome situation, and you know, any recommendations are very, very welcomed. Sorry, I haven't been talking to you at all today. I've just been working all day, so I got home like, I don't know, about 1 o'clock. No, it was about 12:30, and I've just been working since then. I literally haven't not stopped working all day, and it's like 6:30 now, maybe 7 o'clock. I just was like, put your head down and keep working. I know like an average person probably works 7 hours a day, but it's really hard when you're on a computer non-stop. Like just, it's tiring. So I'm actually exhausted now. But I am going to sort through a bucket load of makeup that I have, because I want to bring it down to my nanny's and leave it down there so that all my younger cousins can sort through it, or my aunts. And I was talking about that I think yesterday, and I need to kind of like get stuck into that now. So I'm going to take you on that. That's a journey and a half. I don't know what is even in this tub. I haven't gone through it in so, like, actually I don't think I've ever gone through it. It's just kind of like a tub that I throw makeup into, and I'm like, oh, I'll sort that in a later date and I'll look at that later on, and just never get around to it. And I've also edited the vlog from last week, the night that I went with my boyfriend to, what was the restaurant? Still can't remember the name of the restaurant, but it was on Dawson Street, and then we went to the Vintage Cocktail Club. If you've never been there in Temple Bar, guys, I highly recommend it. It's actually lovely. It was really relaxing. It was really nice. It kind of looks a bit like Dodge at first. It's just around the corner from Club M. I used to live in Temple Bar, and Club M was like weirdest nightclub ever. We ended up landing in there a few nights, and I was like, I don't even know what this nightclub is. It's nuts. But anyway, the Vintage Cocktail Club is like around the corner from it, and it's really, really nice. Kind of has like a big black door and like a window on it, and when we walked up with my boyfriend, I was like, where are you bringing me? He was like, don't worry, it's nothing too sketch. And I was like, this is so random. And then like the girl comes out and like looks out through the glass. No, she didn't actually do that, she just opened the door. And we're with these two guys who were finished work, obviously, and they were like, do you have reservations? And to the other guys, and they're like, yeah, we're a party of 4. And they're like, these are with us as well. They were like, this is Tom and Jane. So they were like calling us Tom and Jane. It was really funny. I was like, how original. Just, I had a really good night in there anyway, but I was just editing the vlog footage from last week, and I was like, I had such a nice night in there. Anyway, I'm going to do this tub, because if I don't do it now, I'm just never going to do it. I probably will have to do it over 2 days, because I do think that there's a lot of stuff in there. The tub looks like, so there's like a pillow on top of it, and then there's like a benefit bag on top of it, and a box with stuff in it, and God only knows what else is in here, because even I don't know what is in here. I'm just gonna try and sort through it as best as I can. Like, there's just bits and pieces of makeup that family members can take, stuff that I do not need, and stuff that I know, like, hello, what is this? There's like pure stuff as well. Just stuff that I'm never going to use. Actually, I'm going to use them. They're my Minnie Mouse ears that I got in Disney. I need them. I'm just going to sort through as much as I possibly can. Like, look, there's like butter bronzer and stuff. Like, there's just bits and pieces of everything. What is that? Oh, that's my toothbrush charger. You know, like, see, there's just like lots of random things in here. What is that? Lash Perfect. See, there's just like random stuff in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to like turn it upside down, empty it all out, and then like throw everything into the bin that I'm not using, and then anything that I'm gonna keep, I'm just gonna throw it into this benefit bag, and just keep whatever I need, because I really do not need all the stuff in here. I have enough makeup for a lifetime. So I'm just filling this tub up as I go along, so I've just thrown a few bits and pieces in here for my cousins to take, and I'm just going to keep adding to it because I have more stuff downstairs. So I'm just going to keep filling this up to the brim, and they can pull whatever they want from it. I have found a few kind of items here that are kind of like expired and broken, so I'll be throwing them out, and a couple more products in here that kind of got a bit broke, and like I said, that are a bit out of date, and I'll obviously not be giving them to my cousins. They're gonna go straight in the bin. I found this in here as well. I don't know how I managed to leave that in there. It's the Huda Beauty, I don't know what this palette's called. Oh, the Winter Highlight Palette. This is so pretty, like absolutely gorgeous. I don't know how I missed that. That's what happens when you have more makeup than sense. So I'm going to put that into my actual collection because I really like that. I use stuff like 2 or 3 times and I just have no use for it anymore. I'm just going to throw it into this bin and give it to my family members because they'll use it. Big box in here as well, and oh yeah, there's more makeup in there. I don't know what this is. I'm just going to kind of go through that and throw what I feel like I won't be using into this box as well. Like, I can't use every single bronzer. I do want to keep one though, because I don't think I've ever used these bronzers. I don't know which one will actually match me the best. I don't know. Definitely don't want that one, but these 3 look nice. This is not going to match any of my cousins. I'm like the darkest out of all my cousins, like Uppsala wise. Ticket to Brazil, I have that in there as well, and a different one. I never use that. So which one? I don't know, I think I might give that to Ollie and I might keep that one myself. Oh my god, I found the foundation stick in here. I need to actually use these. I'm sure there's some that I will not be able to use, like that'll be just too pale for me. So I need to go through these because I'm not really sure which ones are going to match me. Actually, I need to spend more time with that Wet n Wild box. I'm just going to give them all these blushers because I'm not going to use them, any of them. Don't know what that is. Oh, I think I used these before. I can hear Chewy barking, sorry about that. I think I used one of these before and I loved it. Probably not that pinky one. I'd say it was this one. I'm going to keep that one. So I have these two big boxes here. Oops. Sorry. Camera unsturdy. One of these is from Pennies. I don't think I ever showed you this the stuff in here, guys. It's like lovely little things for summer. With skincare and stuff like that. But I still haven't gone around to using it. And I need to kind of just give it away. And then I actually need to really try this out. And a subscriber recommended that, so I really want to try them as well. But all these other things like dupes and triplicates of palettes, my cousins will definitely benefit from these things, and it's just nicer to kind of give it away. And I will do a giveaway on my channel as well sometime soon, but just for now I'm just going to give this to family members and try and declutter the makeup that I have. Right, so this is the tub for now. I'm just going to bring this down to my nanny's and I'm just going to throw stuff into it as I feel fit. Oh my god, that feels so good to declutter all of that makeup. I'm so excited to get rid of it. The whole tub is full to the brim, so I'm just going to bring it down to my nanny's, and then once the girls kind of empty it out, I'm just going to keep adding things in that I don't need. It's really good to kind of declutter, and I've realised myself like how much stuff I kind of hang on to in hopes of being like, I'll do a video with that and I'll use that in something else, and I never do, and I just kind of like use whatever I feel fit to use. That's not the right word, so I'm just going to settle that down there. I just use what I enjoy, and if I'm testing out new makeup and it's gone like past a few weeks and I still haven't tested it out, I'm like, okay, get rid, because you're never going to use it. So I feel so much better. Sorry, I'm sweating. I've run up and down the stairs like 15 times emptying makeup out of one box into another. So I'm gonna go down and get dinner, and then I'll talk to you guys later on. I am finally hitting the hay. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. I am so tired, but I just finished watching the Jade Goody documentary. It's like a 3-part series, and the first episode was on last night. I didn't get to see it obviously because I wasn't home. It's just the first one, but I'm presuming it's gonna get really, really, really sad. It's actually really good, really enjoyable. I have my new top on. My boyfriend brought this home for me from Barcelona. He's very cute. It says ride the storm, and there's a stormtrooper on it with a surfboard, because why not? Anyway, I'm going to sleep now. I hope you guys had a lovely day. I'm sorry today's vlog was a little bit random and probably a little bit dull, but tomorrow, what am I doing? I'm going for breakfast in the morning with Lisa. I need to go for a run. I need to like finish editing one more video. I think I've like all my work done till like Tuesday, but if I edit one more video then I'll have all my work done till next Thursday, which is great. So I think I'll do that tomorrow because I have a bit of time. And yeah, that's it then. That's all my news, all my carry on. I hope you guys had a lovely day wherever in the world you are watching this from, and I will talk to all of you in my next vlog. Mwah. Bye guys, love you.